I was scrolling YouTube and I found there one very interesting video with the topic Best MACD Trading Strategy. Why I paid so much attention to this video? First of all, it has 2.6 million views.
This MACD strategy I'm about to show you is one of the highest win rate strategies you can possibly do in trading.
Number 2, there are a lot of the positive comments about this trading strategy. And number 3, author of this video promising 86% win rate. What does it mean? That from all trades, 86% is a profitable trades. But how for the regular user understand if it's working or not? I create a trading bot with this trading strategy, and in today's video we'll make a lot of backtest with the different trading instruments, different time frames, and we will find out if it's working or no. So stay tuned till the end and let's start. If we will talk and compare two methods of trading, exactly manual and algo trading, we can find a lot of different thoughts. Of course, different people, different thoughts and different minds. Some of the people will protect algo trading, another one will prefer and will tell you that and explain you why manual trading is better. So for the manual trading, what people are saying, they are saying that it's closer to reality of the market, you can generate higher profit, and there is no trading program that can trade better than the human. Of course, you know my opinion about that. I'm on the totally different sides. I really think that algo trading, this is the best trading way in 2024 if you want to generate a consistent profit. And in this video I won't explain you why based on this strategy that we'll talk today. So let's go to this trading strategy. So guys, first of all, I highly recommend you to check the main video where I get all information about this trading strategy. It will give you a chance to understand all the small details about this strategy, what is the rules. But I will give you right now just some shortly and briefly explanation about the conditions. So the bot already there. If you want to do the back test, or if you like it, you can even trade by yourself. You can easily message me, and if you will open an account in my partner broker company, I will give you this bot for free. So what I want to show you, the condition and how it's trading, what's the rules on the visual back testing, when we'll be able to see the chart. And for me personally, the first benefit of the algo trading, this is the speed and efficiency. So we can see, you can see exactly that how quickly, and we can work with the huge amount of data to do all the back test, and right now we'll understand how it's working. So let me remove the grid, I'll find some part of the chart and let me explain. Yes, so based on this situation, I will explain you how it's working in general. So we should have two indicators. One of them, it's like a moving average with the period 200 here. It will give us chance, this indicator, to identify what's the direction of the trend. So if the price is lower than 200 moving average, it means the trend, general trend, is going down, and we'll search just for trading operation to open sell. But if it's higher, you know, it means the general trend is going up, and we'll search just for trading operation to open buy. So the first signal, not like a signal but identifier of the trend, this is the EMA 200, and then we are checking for our standard MACD. Standard MACD, what does it mean? This is the like difference or crosses between two moving averages, 12 and 26. And we will open position just in the situation of crossing, but these lines should be, if we're searching for the sell, it should be higher in comparison for the zero level. So in this current case, we can see exactly that it was a little bit higher. We are opening sell, our stop loss will be in the 200 moving average or maybe a little bit higher, and the take profit, this stop level in pips, we will multiply 1.5. so ratio is working. This is 1 to 1.5, and as you can see in this situation, it closed by the take profit. Let's moving next. We open sell. Why we open sell? Because the price is lower than 200. Then we can find there some small cross of this our two moving averages on MACD 12 and 26. We open sell, but in this case, you see, we close our stop loss because price touch our 200 line again, and two profitable trades after that. You see, we open sell, cross, we close it by the take profit, we close sell, and we close by the take profit, you know. So from the first opinion, we can say, wow, it's like, looks like working nice, you know, and profitable. But let's do the bigger back test to see exactly the results on different time frames, different instruments, currency pairs. We'll take like crypto, gold, and to see exact numbers. This is what we are interested in. So bought already in my terminal, and let me show you the parameters to it. So fast MA 26, 12, slow MA 26, exponential moving average that will help us to understand what is the trend in the market. It's 200. Starting volume will be 002. You can change it, you know, it's up to you. And with the starting deposit for the backtest, I will choose 500. And when we're going to the stop loss multiplier 1, it means the stop loss will be exactly on the moving average 200, and the take profit multiplier 1.5. So depends on the stop loss, we'll have a different take profit. So the second point why algo trading is better for me, this is emotionless. If I'll put these numbers in my like inputs, it will trade exactly as I want, because people have a lot of the problems, emotional problems with the take profit and the stop loss. People like to move it, you know. So for example, if the price going to a stop loss, they are moving more further, you know, to they are thinking that it will be unreachable level for the price to take the stop loss. But believe me, market can go so quickly to your stop loss. Even for 200 points it can reach it. In the take profit, it's opposite thing. People like to feel that they are trading, their winning rate is higher, and it's giving them feeling that I'm trading in plus. But believe me, everything depends on the final balance. And if you will trade even 90% plus, so from 10 trades on your account, 9 will be in plus, but with the short take profit, and 1 trade like will be huge stop loss, and your balance will be in minus. What's the point from all these nine deals before that you close in plus? So emotionless, this is a big benefit for me. So let's go for the back testing. So first of all, as usually, you know, I'm showing you all the back test based on 3 instruments: euro dollar, then Bitcoin, and also gold. So let's take from 2022, $500, 002 starting balance, and let's see the final results. Ta-da! You see, and it's not so good and beautiful how it was shown to us in the video. So in almost 2 years, even more than two years, the final result, it was 171 trades, total net profit minus $160, with the maximum drawdown $239. And profit trades, you see, if we're going to the profit trades, it's just 42%. It's not even close to this 86% that Arthur was mentioning in his video. Okay, let's take the same, but let's take for example M15. And let's see the result for M15. You see, for M15 it's even worse. So it made 715 trades, the final net profit $293, and the drawdown was even 321. Profit rate is even lower, just 36%. And let me go to the M5 just to check if it will survive even with so many trades. No, it's below the account. You see, so with M5, it's below the account, it's lost $495. Okay, let's take the same trading bot, but let us open our gold, because lots of the people, they like to trade gold. And again, we'll start trading from H1, from beginning 2022. The same parameters, we are not changing nothing. But you see, for the gold, it was trading in plus. So final results, we have $809 of the profit. Maximum drawdown was $236. It's huge drawdown, by the way, because in comparison for our standard deposit, just $500, we have a drawdown $236. It's around 45%, and profit rates 47%. So again, okay, it's traded at plus 809 profit, so it generated more than 100%. But profit rates is not so high as we saw in the video. Okay, let's take M15 to see exactly how it was working. For the M15, you see it's different results. For the M15, it traded in minus $125, and the drawdown was huge, $528, and the profit rate just 38%. Let's check if it will survive on M5. It was struggling during that 2 years, but the final result, it's minus $208, the highest drawdown $450, but it's made 1,652 trades. My personal recommendation and what I found that H1 time frame, like 1 hour time frame, it's very nice, you know, because it's like smoother than M15 than M5, you know, and you will have more profitable trades, especially on H1. But it's up to you, it depends on your trading strategy. And let us check the third trading instruments and to see the final results. So for the Bitcoin, it's also traded in minus $86 with the final results, with the maximum drawdown $307, total trades 161. Okay, let's check for the M15. We blow the account on the Bitcoin, and let's go to M5. It's also blow the account. So the third benefit of the algo trading, this is the backtesting. Right now, in the short period of time, because I was doing live, I didn't check these results before recording the trading video, we saw that it's not so beautiful in trading in comparison for the YouTube video. And can you imagine so how many people from this 2.6 million views, they was trying this strategy on the real accounts. And market, you know, it's not simple, friend, because if you will make a mistakes on the market, it's converting in minus, and this is the most important point. So that's why this backtesting, it's like super important if we want to be sure what kind of trading strategy we are using. By the way, if you have a trading strategy and if you want to test how it will works and is it working or no, we can easily create for you the trading bot. If it's simple, we'll charge for you maybe $50 for the product, because this strategy, by the way, we were doing maybe for 1 hour, you know, because it's very simple. But I want to show you the example that sometimes this stuff that all YouTubers, bloggers, influencers trying to sell you, it's a little bit different when you start working with the numbers. All this information without confirmation, it's nothing. This is what I prove for you right now. But let me show you what will be if we'll do a little bit tweaks with the optimization. The first point that's very important for me if we're talking about algo trading and real benefit, this is ability to do the optimization, because you know we compared euro, dollar, gold and the Bitcoin. It's totally different instrument, and I promise you, one parameter it's impossible to trade everywhere. So what I will do, for example, for the euro dollar, for M15, I will run the optimization, and what I will ask my bot and my trading terminal for check for me. So for example, for the fast moving average, we'll not use 12, but I want them to check all options from starting 5, for example, period 5 with the step 5 maximum 50, and with the slow starting from moving average 25 with step 5. So it will do 25, 30, 35, 40 up to 100. Then 200 I will leave it in the same way, volume 002 the same, but I will also check the stop losses. So for example, from 1 it means it will be exactly on the moving average 200, with the step 0.5 with the multiplier, so you can put the stop loss even higher than our moving average, and also the same with the take profit. So I'll start from 0.5, so it means my take profit might be 2 times lower than the take profit up to multiplier 4, so it might be even 4 times higher. And let's run the quick back test. Again, 115, the same trading volume 002, and as you remember, all options that we check on the euro dollar during the back test, it was all of them in minus. Let us see. So the best result here, for example, it was $243 in plus with the 230 trades, and profit rate just 24%, because maybe take profit was really high. Let's go to check in the inputs. Yes, so the take profit you see was 3 times higher than the stop loss. You know, it's good reward ratio, but I'm not recommending to use the trading strategy when the profit ratio lower than 35%, because then it will rely just on the big profit. Let's do the same kind of tweak for the gold. As we remember, gold for H1 was trading in plus, and then we were going down like lower to the time frame, it was trading in minus. So let's choose the gold M15, yeah, and let's do the same optimization to see if it's possible to generate for us plus but using the optimization. Yeah, so let's see the results. Let's check the results, and result is more interesting. You see, so some option 1300 profit Yes, in this chart you see after some small optimizations, you know, the chart looks way more better in comparison what we was getting with the standard parameters. And what is the difference? Stop loss, you see, was also the huge difference, and sometimes it might work. You see, the take profit is in the same level because the stop loss will be 2 times 2.5. It will be a little bit higher than moving average, and the take profit 1. So it will take profit and stop loss will be in the same level, but we will have already profitable trades of 56% and good ratio because net profit $1,305 and maximum drawdown just 267. And let's do the same with the Bitcoin. Again, for M15, as you remember, for the Bitcoin, everything was losing. Fast algorithm 002, and let's check what kind of results it will show us for the Bitcoin. And even for the Bitcoin, we can find an option that was trading and plus, but let us see how it's look like on the chart. Not very nice, to be honest. So in general, I don't like this trading strategy, and in general it's not profitable. So there is no point to talk there about 86% of the winning ratio if right now we did optimization, backtest, and we find out that this strategy is not recommended for personal use. But how we was able to find it without the algo trading? There is no options, because manual to do all these things, it's really difficult. So guys, if you have a strategy that you want to test, that you want to do the backtest optimization, message me in my private messages and we will find for you the best option and the best instrument to trade, which will give you a chance to generate a profit. This is what we are doing here. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in our next one.